Looking for the perfect dry iron but overwhelmed by choices? Stick around as we rank the top models from worst to best and help you find the one that fits your needs like a glove. Let's kick things off with the most basic option in our ranking, the generic mini iron. It's a popular pick for crafters and travelers, but if you're hoping for a powerhouse for daily ironing, you might want to keep watching. This mini iron earns its spot at the bottom of our list, mainly due to its limitations in performance and size. To be fair, it's great for what it is. This little guy heats up in seconds, weighs under a pound, and handles small, detailed tasks like pressing seams or working with vinyl perfectly. If you're into quilting or need something compact to toss in your luggage, it's got you covered. But let's not ignore the downsides. The cord is a bit flimsy and tends to fray over time. Plus, with its tiny sole plate and low wattage, it just can't keep up with larger loads or thicker fabrics. You'll be spending a lot more time going over the same spot. So who's this for? Hobbyists, crafters, and frequent flyers. If you need a quick touch-up or work with small projects, it's handy. But for everyday shirts and pants, let's move on to something more capable. By the way, if you're interested in any of the products we mentioned today, check out the links in the description below for the best prices. Next on our list is a solid step up, the Wazing Lightweight Portable Dry Iron. It's a favorite for households and occasional use, and it holds up better than you'd expect for its price point. It's simple, portable, and efficient. A great no-fuss option for basic ironing. It heats up quickly, it's easy to carry, and the smooth stainless steel sole plate glides effortlessly over most fabrics. It's perfect if you don't want to deal with steam, and the design is compact enough to stash anywhere. Now let's talk flaws. It's so light that it sometimes tips forward, and users have reported concerns about the heating element wearing out over time. Also, without steam, deeper wrinkles might take extra passes, especially on thicker materials. This one's for folks who want a straightforward iron for light home use, maybe a gift for a new grad or a backup for a second home. It's reliable, just not ideal for big batches of clothes or stubborn creases. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest gear reviews. Sliding into the middle of our list is the Panasonic Dry Iron. It looks compact, but don't let the size fool you. It's powerful, precise, and fast to heat. It's a favorite for tailors, quilters, and anyone who values a smooth, no-fuss glide. With a sharp, pointed tip, it gets into tight corners and along seams like a pro. Plus, the fluorine coating helps reduce fabric sticking and residue. It also packs an auto shut-off feature, which is rare in irons this size. A big win for safety. But it's not all perfect. The controls are often labeled in Japanese, which can be confusing if you're not familiar. And the small body means it can tip easily and take longer with full-size garments. Still, if you're into precision ironing or need a lightweight but serious iron, this one checks a lot of boxes. It's especially great for folks working on sewing projects or those who just want a hassle-free, solid performer. Now we're talking muscle. Coming in second place is the heavyweight champion of this lineup, the Vita Sununhao Dry Iron. It's not just heavy in name. This thing delivers serious pressure, which means fewer passes and cleaner lines. With 1,000 watts of power and a long 9-foot cord, it's built for serious ironing sessions. That extra weight does a lot of the work for you, especially on tough fabrics. It also comes with overheat protection, which is a comforting touch if you're running it for long periods. What's the catch? That weight can be a double-edged sword. It wears on your wrist after a while. Some users also report that it doesn't always reach the hottest settings, and a few have seen issues with the non-stick coating. But if you want an iron that means business, this is the one. It's great for households with lots of laundry, or anyone working in tailoring or dry cleaning. Just be ready to handle a bit more heft. And finally, taking the #1 spot, the Black+Decker Classic Iron. This one hits the sweet spot between performance, safety, and versatility. Whether you're ironing shirts on the daily or just need something dependable that won't let you down, this one's tough to beat. What makes it stand out is the combo of steam and dry modes, plus that legendary build quality. It's got a nostalgic retro look, but don't be fooled. Under the hood, it's all modern. With 1,100 watts, it heats fast and holds temperature well, and the 3-way shutoff is one of the best safety systems out there. As for drawbacks, steam output could be stronger and the weight might be a little much for people with wrist issues, but overall, it strikes the perfect balance between professional grade and everyday usability. If you want an iron that does it all and lasts for years, this is the one to beat. It's our top pick, and easily one of the best investments you can make for your laundry routine. That wraps up our ranking. If you want to check out any of the irons we mentioned, the best deals are linked down in the description. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top product reviews coming your way.